U takes on the sound of W, after the letter Q in words like quilt, quit, quiz, and quite. It sometimes does this after the letter G as well in words like anguish or guano. There are some other words where this happens after a letter that's not a Q or a G in words like cuisine or suede. This blank right here represents a consonant between a U and an E. Since this silent E would make this U have its long sound, it could have either long sound, the U sound, or the OO sound. Words with the U sound, where you can clearly hear the Y part, are words like use, cube, abuse, or costume. Words without the Y sound, where you just have a long U that sounds like OO, are words like dude and tube. Right here in these two words, I have split them into syllables. These capital letters represent the accented or emphasized syllable. Since this syllable is accented, nature, the long U sound becomes muffled, just like in the word future. U and E together also has a long U sound. It can have a Y sound with it or not. Like in the words blue or true, you do not hear the Y sound. Words like Q and hue, you can hear the Y sound of the long U. U and E together can be silent after the letters G or Q in French words. Words that we use in English that use this rule are league, plague, plaque, or unique. U and I together also say OO, like in the words juice, suit, cruise, and bruise. U and R together say like in the words fur, turn, burn, and return. A and U together say like in hall, fault, and faucet.